Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be giving you plenty of cleaning motivation. I had just finished cooking dinner for 2 days, so I definitely have plenty of dirty dishes. Normally by the afternoon I am so tired after cooking and take care of the kids throughout the day and also filming other cleaning videos. I am pretty tired by the end of the day, but I always try to make sure I go to sleep with a clean kitchen whether I'm tired or not. So one thing that I do like to do is blast some music because it definitely makes it a lot easier for me to get through this. So some of the dishes go in the dishwasher, but one thing I always make sure to wash by hands is my pots and pans and my knives. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. So one thing I do want to say, because I'm super honest with you guys, is that I love the Mrs. Meyer's cleaners, but their dish soap is actually not my favorite because I feel like I have to use more soap just to be able to feel like the pots and pans are clean, because after washing it still feels greasy to me. So sometimes when it gets like that, I always take out my Dawn dish soap, which is my absolute favorite. Baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. So on this day I actually cooked 2 meals. I basically cooked something for myself because I have been trying to eat a lot healthier. So I cooked something for myself for 2 days, and then I made a big pot of spaghetti for 2 days for my kids to eat. And y'all, kids love spaghetti and it's also easy to make, but I do not like cooking every single day, so I try to make it easier on myself. So when I feel like the countertops and stove need something a little stronger, I always use the Method Heavy Degreaser because it works so well. And I also use it in the microwave.
All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone. Baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want.
One of the things I always do is I always make sure to wipe down my microwave, but we have been making a lot more popcorn lately, and because it's butter popcorn, it makes the microwave pretty dirty, so I had to make sure it got clean.
You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. Are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know
Now it's time for me to clean my stovetop. Right here I'm using the Barkeeper's Friend, and I got this from TJ Maxx and it was only $1.99. I don't know if you could get this on Amazon, but all you could do is check. I hope you can find it, guys, because it works amazing. But one thing I did get from Amazon was that stovetop scraper, which, by the way, it works amazing. And I use it more than just the stovetop, but it scrapes away all the burnt on food. So after I hand wash all of my pots and pans, one thing I always do is grab a clean microfiber cloth and dry them up so I can put them away right away.
Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it.
One thing I definitely look forward to is cleaning out my kitchen sink. I find it so satisfying, and if my kitchen sink is not clean, then my whole kitchen is not clean.
I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind.
I have to mop my kitchen floor. I decided to sweep instead of using my robot vacuum because it's a lot faster that way.
Before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't.
So now that we are all home all day, every day, the kitchen floor definitely gets a lot dirtier. I'm constantly stepping on sticky spots, kids constantly spilling stuff on the floor. So I'm definitely mopping the floor a lot more.
Why are you going back and forth? trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing.
Normally by the end of the night, I always either diffuse essential oils or burn a candle so that can help with the smell of the kitchen, because sometimes it will still smell like food. That'll be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.